Hey guys, so why is tap to pay 28? Does this actually work everywhere? If by tap to pay you mean using your Wise card for contactless payment, then yes. But there are two different things to explain on this, guys. So first one is that your tap your physical Wise card at a contactless terminal. Simply tap your Wise card. If contactless is enabled, you can work whether the merchant accepts the relevant card. Network contactless payment. Wise card isn't currently available to eligible residents in countries including few countries. But so um, those what do you call this? So those countries are Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, the UK, US, EA, Australia, and then others are you can use them at those country residents. Only to just get the card by getting card, or need to just pay here at card and click on get card. Then you have to pay a small fee for the card itself because you see right the physical card on the bottom. So yeah, so or you can the other one is tap your phone instead. You can also add eligible Wise card to Apple Pay or Google Pay and use your phone or smartwatch to contact terminals. Wise says availability depends on where a card was issued and mobile wallet. But yeah, if you're gonna ask me, does it work everywhere? No, not literally everywhere, but the merchants need to accept contactless payments for it to work. But yeah, there you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always leave a question below, guys. I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.